guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a girl Chesouye, and if you didn't know, you know. So if you don't see the title down below, I'm pretty sure it says vlog. So we're vlogging today. We're actually going house hunting.
Too nice for full of man problem.
They're on the back, mommy the right here.
Hi
so
guys.
remember to go over mommy channel and subscribe. More all uno go over my mother channel and subscribe. You wanna see you? So guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe even before you watch Road to 1K. We reach 1K so quick, like Road to 1K. So we actually just reached in a St. Catherine's around this kill sleep, mouth open up, everything. So we'll pick up my father and then we are go where got us? Where got the house. So when we reach the house or the house them, we'll come back and we couldn't know what one. Okay? So we basically reach Silver Sun Estate of Innswood. So I don't know. Zai finally wake up.
And your daddy meet us.
I don't know if you want in there. He don't have face.
Phase one this.
So I'm showing you inside.
Morning. I'm trying to ascertain where you drive to go to.
Really? Alright.
Oh, so if you turn and say that come up on the barber ring, you straight up. People up there that will give you a tour or you just look by yourself. Alright, thanks.
Fair agent. So guys, this is what the house looks like from the outside. I feel like them small body. And them close together. None. Oh, is that a play?
They normally have one common greenery, like there's something named pool and this playground.
Oh, that's one side.
I don't feel like my fancy that also. What's in a red dirt?
JTA Credit Union with NCT.
Say hi.
Do it all of them.
You're gonna see yourself on the TV. What you have to say? What you want to say to the people?
Hello.
Can you tell him my name? What's your name?
My name is Zai.
Zai? Hi Zai. So I really like the house here, like don't know if you can see, but in there small bad. Everything about it small. It's just small. It's just small bad. I don't feel like I like it. So, you know, look on it. Look at it.
I also think okay.
So, whenever like the house they are tall, the silver sun.
Okay. Inzut. You see? Inzut. See name there.
So guys, the silver sun estate, whenever like the house them at tall, whenever like the area, whenever like nothing about it.
You see how the house has slab top? You see?
So right now we're at the Tealy Country Club estate.
No, it's
Tealy
Country Club.
Okay, Tealy Country Club. So, mommy thinks that it would have better. I see it one time online. I don't know. I don't know if I like it. I don't know. But I never like the house there at all. The house there, the red dirt, and so you're playing there already.
Pieces.
And the house small and it look ugly and like, yeah, the top
like
of zinc.
Veranda, it's like those old times.
You know, food for the poor house. I saw the house look. Like, I like the house thing.
I think NHT need to do something about their models, their design.
And to always, mega put in the, go see it. To always see the frame, or it feeble like if breeze blow it drop down. The way they steal them fine and maga. And it's like them not use no block or drywall them use or something. The house they never look nice. It never look good. Me don't like the house there. So when we get to Tealy, more soon.
I don't have an idea.
And this a driveway better. I'm big for the house.
So that I think we're not gonna hunt for any more houses. Like I really like the Mercury Gardens phase 2. I think mommy like it as well. Yeah, we really like that house and we're gonna look into that house. So yeah, right now we're just there, we're chilling, you know. I really need a planner, so I think we're gonna go to Fontana next. I wanna go up by Fontana. This will be my first time going to Fontana, no cap. This will be my first time going to Fontana Pharmacy. I need to get a cute little planner. Can write down YouTube stuff, log my days and stuff. Cause one of my resolution is to be more organized.
Yes, you really need to be more.
Yeah, so I'm gonna try to organize my YouTube stuff, you know.
And your entire life. A matter of fact.
Guys,
my child is like the age of Zai. Zai is more organized than Sisha.
Mommy, don't tell them lie there. She's lying. She have to be capping. She's capping. Zaya try come in. Yeah, the car is so dirty. So dirty.
Red dirt. When it's a red dirt, all the houses we have looked at.
Red dirt. Like
red dirt.
I see some people and them wash them white clothes and put out like. If you come from St. Catherine and you watch, no clothes not dirty up like Moano. Me really want to know.
Comment below. Tell us about the red dirt.
Yeah.
Red dirt saga. Tell us.
I want a feature. So bad. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
The police are gonna lock you up with that straw.
Go see Zai on the TV. Zai says she want up on the TV every time. Go see Zai on the TV.
Say hi to the subs, Zai. Hi subs. Say hi to the subs.
Hi subs.
Go see Zai on the TV. TV.
And the TV.
Go so.
Bam.
Convince me for trespass. For trespass, you know, because the people them get locked, you know. And look what we're gonna do. Look what she want me to do. Tell me now. Excuse me, let me go first, because I don't want you to make me jump. So Amaka, you run off me too. All me I tell mommy, lower the people in place. Then lock them gate for a reason. She still a tell me for come on. Zion her father up there, so. In everyone else. What shit good? Maga. Yeah, mommy. Yeah.
I'll go too.
Watch out. Look at that. I know they're in a KFC,
The
like.
wife
Hungry.
she's sweat here.
Bad. Tired.
She's sweat here.
Today hot. Bad. Most soon, no? When we go other place, maybe Fontana, maybe not, because I didn't know it's really late. So we will see.
Sweat here. So.
After literally waiting for so long, finally I got eat. I'm gonna start eat already. Zaya eat her Zinger big box. I'm gonna eat famous for right now. So we're catching the guys in the next clip. Okay? Hi guys, so we just pull up in. I'm safe if you can't see. Wait there. You can't see. Fontana. So I really just want to get a journal for me, a journal for mommy. And I think that's it. I think, what about anything else?
I'm okay, that's it.
Hi. What else I get to? Journal or diary or whatever them name. Planner. What them name? I don't know. Yeah, some of us I'll get one of those. And then I guess run some more errands and go home. So I'll see you when I'm inside Fontana. We're in a Fontana. I got like 3 books to choose from. This one says tell every place I'm dreaming of that I'm on my way, and I'm really on my way. So, and then I have a planner and another just cute notebook. Zion mommy looking for paint. Zion, what you looking for?
Paint my picture for mommy.
You gonna paint a picture for mommy?
Yes.
Okay. Where am I going with that? Put that down. Is it pretty?
Yes.
You love it? Show the people. Just coming from Starbucks and we got, you know, mommy, what you get?
Double chocolate chip.
And it is so good, and I got mango dragon fruit. And it's good as well. Zai, what did you get from Starbucks? Zai said she get a Barbie from Starbucks, okay? Period. Wait, people. Look how my father asleep. And him left the door wide open. Look for the chicken.
Somebody just take out the key and just drive away.
And the chicken and that so.
He's asleep.
I know you come. I know you know you
You
come.
need some coffee. Try this. You need some coffee.
You know, we're in a mega mart. Mommy right here, so I get a few things. We'll put Zai in so that she don't run up and down and take out no more dolly. And daddy's gonna push her. Still have my dragon fruit. This is so good. Yeah, me see it with you. This is so good. Like it has some little dragon fruit chunks. So good. So good. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Like, what are you doing, child? What are you doing?
Bye, Zai.
You don't see her runway. You laugh. I'm shoe shopping, but this feel like the front cover. This feel like the front cover. Excuse me. What's it nice, but can I no? Me just I'm not like the front. Front look like the screen though. But it's a very nice shoe. That's not Zai. That's not Zai in people in store about themselves, okay? Should I get it? Oh, look at it. Me feel like me do want one size opening. So guys, this is where we're ending the vlog. This has been such a long day. Look outside. Outside dark. Like we almost leave home in a dark. And we go home in a dark. I'm tired. Zara is so miserable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Follow me on all socials at Chesouye. Go over to Mommy channel and subscribe. Bangers are gonna drop over there soon. Okay? Yes, you can follow her on Instagram too, Keisha.k. I'm gonna put it down in the description box. I got it on the screen. Just do what you do. And I'll catch you guys in my next upload. Bye!